everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we explore convert the images into pencil sketch using Python. This is our Python script to convert the images into pencil sketches. Now we execute our Python script. First, it shows the original image in the output. Next, it shows the gray image in the output. Next, it shows the inverted image in the output. Finally, it will show the pencil sketch output. We taking 3 images for our Python script output. Now we see one by one pencil sketch outputs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share your valuable thoughts in the comments.